everyone. I wanted to show you what I'm doing. I'm making these eggs. Well, this is the whole egg and this is the egg white. And what I did was I basically sauteed some vegetables. I had some, and this is what you call my walnut pesto. And I'm mixing it all up. And what I did was I sauteed some onions and bell peppers, and then I added these beautiful blossoms from the garden. If you don't know what to do with your blossoms, just saute them and set them aside, and you can incorporate them into like a quiche, or you can put them on a salad, or you can, yeah, really yummy stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and, oops, I turned it off real quick, so because they were cooking too fast. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on that really quick. And it's going to be a little bit soft, but that's okay. So I'm going to cook that up. If you want to add some cheese to that, you can. But there's already Parmesan cheese in the walnut pesto. So what I basically did was the walnut pesto. I added basil, fresh basil leaves, lemon juice, some lemon juice, and salt and pepper, and extra virgin olive oil, and some roasted garlic. Let's see what else. And you can pretty much put whatever you want in your pesto. That's done. So that skillet already heated up. See? And basically you have is this delicious pesto flavored eggs with the onions and bell peppers and the squash blossoms. I'm telling you. I'm gonna try that. Yum. So I made these beautiful homemade tortillas. Now I'm gonna heat them up. Yum. Heat up the tortillas. Oh my gosh, that is delicious. I'm not showing you my face because I'm not presentable. But I want to show you this real quick. And I'm just reheating these grilled tortillas. I'm telling you, I went to a restaurant and I couldn't believe it. It was a Mexican restaurant, and I hate to say this, but come on, microwave tortillas, come on, people. Not good. Not good at all. So these are actually homemade, and plus I had to pay for them. Hey, yay. Who does that? Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to have a bite of this. And you can actually serve this. See, just those 2 eggs, you can make actually 2 burritos from that. From those 2 eggs and what I call fillers, which is the bell pepper and the onions that are in there. Oh, and zucchini. Of course, I had some zucchini. I put some zucchini in there. Beautiful tomatoes. I mean, they're in season. So you could use all these nice little ingredients. And then you just kind of roll it up. Okay. I love this. Oh, look at that. Yum. So I'm going to take a bite. Okay. That is good. I don't even need salsa. But if I wanted to, I would. That's a burrito. Okay, folks. Delicious pesto eggs. Pesto scrambled eggs with bell peppers and onions. For the summer. Yum. Okay, I'll talk to you later.